look, y'all, what's up, TP Bullet Camp, man? I know it's been a minute. I was just currently on vacation, so that's why I haven't been dropping videos. But I got my girl Coachella out right now. Had to give her a bath today. Got all bathed up. I saw her skin was getting kind of irritated, so I already have a medicated shampoo for her. Well, that my vet had prescribed for Dior, so I noticed some of the same issues with her. So I went ahead and bathed her up this morning. It's hot as hell out here right now. So I'm gonna let her run around for a little minute. She been out for a while already though. I'm about ready to bring her back in. Like I said, it's hot, man. It's real hot. As y'all can see, this girl doing good. She's growing very well. Like I said, she's still wet right now. She's drying off, so that's why she look like that. She's doing real well. Yes, sir. Little bugs out here. But I apologize again for y'all. I haven't been dropping. I know y'all like to watch the videos. So I'm back home now on vacation, so we're gonna get these videos rolling for y'all. My girl Dior, man, she made a mess. I had to go clean up today. She got out. I ain't gonna have her out here too long in this heat. I know she ready to go back and get some water. I said, it's hot as hell, bro. Sweat rolling down my face, man. It's so hot. So I'm about to get her back in. I'm gonna let Florida boy out for a second. Let him get a little exercise in. Let him out again this evening. Yeah, she tired. My girl doing good. Let me get her back in here, man. Get out this heat. Yes, sir. Got my boy out here. Come here. My boy, Florida boy. Come here. Florida boy. Get over here. Get out of there. Come on. Get out of there. Boy, head getting big, y'all. Head getting big. Y'all see it? Boy looking like a little hog. Boy, we'll be ready to work soon. You see the headpiece on him. Short, compact. Short, compact. Get back over here, Florida boy. Get back over here. We'll be ready to work soon. I say, man, that boy real short. Real short. Compact, he got the girth. He got the headpiece. Ghost try. Boy, a little freak, man. Boy, a little freak. See it? You gotta see this boy in person to really just, you know, see how small he is. Come on. Functional. This boy got it all, man. It's just so hot today. You know? It's just so hot today. Come on. Come on. What's up, son? What's up, son? Why you want to go around there, Brody? Come from under there. What's up? What's up, son? What's up, son? Big boy. Big boy. You get that head, man. We'll be ready to work soon. 2 times Jacob. Money bag, son. Yes, sir. Come on up, man. This video ain't gonna be too long. I just wanted to get some footage in for y'all, cause it's been, like I said, almost a week. We'll get a little footage of him today. It's my oldest male. I think photo boy done made 8 months. I gotta check his paper, cause y'all know when you have multiple dogs, man, it's really hard to keep up with their age and everything. So, he done made 8 months. He done made it 8 months. So, yes, sir. Like I say, man, it's a lot of that. Ghost try. And so you can see them the try points. You can see the try points on them. Ghost try. So the boy can throw you some color. Real short, real compact. These are my hands, so come on. Come on. My hand. No, it's my hand. I wear a size what? 11 shoe. Size 11 shoe. Well, these shoes, this is a 10 and a half I got on right now. Yeah. What's up, son? Boy, Florida boy. Let's go. Get back over here. Check the boy out. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all think about it. I'm gonna probably measure his head for y'all. I don't really know what size head he got, but it's a pretty nice head. Get back over here. Florida boy. Come on. Get him over there. I had to put some fly repellent down, man. Like I say, while on vacation, one of the pups got out. Give him over there. Give him over there. Come on. One of the pups had got out, man, and made a real bad mess. Come on. I'm in a real bad mess, so got some flour repellent I had put down. I don't really want them over there eating and everything. This boy, Florida boy, looking good, man. This boy looking good. Yes, sir. This boy looking good. And then, when I do open him up for stud, man, it's really gonna be $750. Florida boy. It's only gonna be $750. The $250 lock in. $750, $250 lock in. Ready to go get some water? Huh? Florida boy. Huh? Some water. I know it's hot out here. I ain't gonna have you out long, buddy. Come on, son. So yeah, man, y'all be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Share the videos if you like them. That's it. Pretty much gonna be the end of this video. I just wanted to get some content in for y'all. Get ready to get him back in here, man. Like I said, it's hot as hell out here in Louisiana. TP Bullet Camp. Still working, we're still grinding. My girl Dior, man, she's still looking real promising for us approaching her first heat. So y'all stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a crazy breeding with her and Mr. Muhammad. Real dope. Like I say, my girl Dior, she's a direct paintbrush daughter. If you're familiar with paintbrush, he's I think he's a lilac tri-mural, I think paintbrush is, which is Dior's father. And the male I'll be bringing to her is the in-house breeding. A Say Less son, he's out for Sicario. Mr. Muhammad, he's a lilac tri-mural. So, you know, both sides of the page, man, full of color, real girthy, big boned up pups, man. So, y'all stay tuned for that Dior Mr. Muhammad breeding, but yes, sir, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. My boy Florida boy here, he will be ready to work soon, as y'all can see. Boy's a little short, little freak. Short little freak. Florida boy, watch. So we out, man. Y'all have a blessing. So of course Scarface got jealous. Whining, wanting to get out, so I let him out for a few seconds too, man. This dude here so alert. Scarface. Hey. That's all you want to do, go in my garage, man. Hey, what you doing up in here? What you doing up in here? What I told you about going in there without my permission, bro? What I told you about going there without my permission? Huh? Dude, him. Scarface. My son. That's my son. He's real active right now. He just got out, so you know how that be. That's a nice little shot of you, boy. That's a nice little shot of you, boy. Scarface, stack up. Stack up. Stack up. Stack up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Stack up for me, son. Stack. 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 You don't want to stack up for me right now. You just got out. Stack up. Stack. 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 You don't want to do it. Why you don't listen, son? Huh? Why you don't listen? Why you don't listen, son? You so hard-headed, Brody. Scarface. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Why you don't listen, son? Get up here. Get up here. Why you don't listen, son? Huh? Why you don't listen, son? Huh? Why you don't listen, son? Huh? Get up here. Why you don't listen, son? My boy him, man. That's all he want to do. He ain't nothing but a big baby. Nothing but a big baby. You ain't nothing but a big baby. You ain't nothing but a big baby, son. Come on. You ain't nothing but a big baby. So yeah, that's all. Nothing but a big baby. I ain't like, man, that boy. He my little protector though, man. He my little protector. Get up here. Scarface. Get up here. Come on. Get up here, son. Oh yeah, come on. Get up here. You behind me. Get up here. Come on. Yes, sir. Like I said, man, y'all, I ain't really got much going on today. Ain't much going on. You want to run and stuff. Just show the bulls off a little bit, that's all. We ain't got much going on today. I miss my bulls though, man. I said I've been gone from about 5 days. I've been gone for 5 days, Scarface. Say, where you been, daddy? Where you been, daddy? Huh? Where you been at, daddy? What's up, son? What's up, son? Huh? Come on, son. Let's go. Scarface. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Scarface. Come on, here you go. Scarface. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Go get him. So I ain't trying to hear none of that right now, daddy. You ready to go back in? Huh, son? You ready to go back in? It's hot out there, bro. I need to vacuum all this up. You ready to go back in, son? Look at that chocolate coat. Look at that chocolate coat. That chocolate coat on my boy. Come on. Let's go, son. It's hot. Yes, sir. So y'all, for real, man, this is the end of this video. I'm gonna get him back inside. It's hot. So again, I appreciate everybody that supports the channel, that subscribe, that like, that comment, everything. You know, it's greatly appreciated. TP Bullet Camp, man, we're located here in Louisiana. So y'all just stay tuned with. Hopefully, like I said, my girl Dior comes into the heat, and we'll have our first lift on the ground. So blessings to everybody. Y'all have a good one.